Hi, my name is Taylor, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about TheyaVue before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about TheyaVue supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because TheyaVue is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is TheyaVue, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, TheyaVue works. TheyaVue dietary supplement uses a groundbreaking formula that can support your eyes and restore clear vision in just a short period. The natural components in the TheyaVue capsules enhance the protein structure of the eyes and maintain the health of the retina. By avoiding severe eyesight, these vegetable capsules fight eye tiredness and safeguard the health of the eyes. The results in your eyes are ultimately determined by your eye health and problem. The state of your eyes is ultimately determined by your eye health and problems. The impact on your eyes is ultimately determined by your eye health and problems. If you first experience inflammation, blurry vision, or impaired eyesight, you need to see tangible results in 3 weeks. If you have ongoing issues like color blindness or night blindness, it might take up to 3 months for the TheyaVue pill to start working its best. TheyaVue aids in maintaining eye health, gives you access to your lost eye nucleus, and feeds your nucleus with sufficient nutrients. The formula that TheyaVue does improves visual movement, retains vision strength, and provides the most protection from the nucleus due to the impairment, along with making it more effective and strong by providing you with better health benefits. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with TheyaVue supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test TheyaVue pills for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to TheyaVue work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, TheyaVue has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy TheyaVue, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that TheyaVue actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.